welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. I am back at it again with another Fashion Nova haul. I made another purchase. I'm so bad, you guys. The 30% off was still going on, and I went ahead and I made another pretty large purchase from them, so I'll be sharing what I got with you guys in today's video. So if you are ready to see the items that I picked up from Fashion Nova and me trying them on, go ahead and keep on watching. That I purchased. I'm gonna go ahead and go through the items first, and then we'll go ahead and try them all on. I do have a couple of other Fashion Nova try-on hauls. I'll link those down below for you guys, but I think these videos are just so much fun to film, and you guys really seem to enjoy the last one. So let's go ahead and get started so I can show you guys what I got. Alright, so the first item I picked up from Fashion Nova is just this shirt. So it says good vibes, and then it has a hood on it as well. I thought this color was so different. I don't think I have anything that's like this kind of lavendery. It actually looks like the same color as my nails, but I thought this was cute, and it's super oversized and like long, so I'm excited to try this one on. Alright, so this next one I got, this one was a bit of a splurge, and I think it's so freaking cute, but I just don't know how it's gonna look on. So this is a jacket, and you guys, this is like me in a jacket because it has so much bling on it, and I absolutely love that. So it's actually one of those jackets that you wear like off the shoulders. So I'll be super curious to see like how this looks on, but it has like the detail on the sleeves as well. It has just the gems literally all over it, and I just love it. It doesn't have any on the back. The back seems pretty neutral, but yeah, I thought this was super cute, too cute to pass up. So they had a bunch of jeans that were on sale, and I went ahead and picked a few pairs up. So this is one of the first ones I got. This one is just like a basic blue jean, and it's like dark but not too dark of a wash. And I wanted to get just like some super high-waisted, just like straight leg jeans because we are coming into the winter months, and I'm gonna be needing to wear jeans like all the time. I literally have like 2 jeans that I rotate between, so I definitely needed to pick some more up. So this next item is actually a pair of trouser pants, and I thought these were really cute. So they bunch up here on the top, and they just have like the little bottom here that has a little detail as well. They're just like those like cargo high-waisted pants, and it has like this cute little bow here in the front as well. So I'm excited to try these on. I don't typically go for this style of pants, so I'm not sure if I'll like them on, but I thought they were really cute on the model. So next I just have another pair of jeans, and these ones are a little bit of a lighter wash, and then they also have like some fading here and some rips on them. And the bottom of these ones is really cute. They kind of frail out. So there is another pair of jeans I got. So I also got a few accessories. So one of the first ones is these earrings. They're just basically like a long drop earring. I don't have any like this, so I thought these were really cute, and they were super affordable, like a couple bucks. And so they're just like these longer drop earrings. And then I also got like this little headband. Isn't this cute? It's just like a little cat headband or bunny headband, however you want to say it. And I thought this was just cute to wear like in Instagram videos. Did it break? Oh my gosh, I feel like it broke. Look at the ears like hanging out in there. Oh no, I'll have to see if I can fix that. I'm not really sure if I can. It looks like it actually broke off, so I'll have to probably return this one. And then very lastly, we have another pair of jeans, and these are just a super high-waisted jean. Again, a couple tears in them, and these are a super light wash. But that is all of the items that I got. I will link down below, of course, all of these items, but let's go ahead and move on to the try-on portion. All right, and here we are with our first outfit. Again, I am filming just on my phone because I feel like that is easier. So I have on those first pair of jeans. They are the dark wash jeans. And then I have on this super cute t-shirt type sweatshirt. So it's very lightweight, very comfortable. I love the strings right here. I think it's super cute. It does have the hood on the back as well. And I just love how like loungy this is and how oversized. It also has like this little band right here, so that I feel like is making it so it kind of tucks like under, which I think is cute. So I just really like this shirt. I'm really happy with this. And then the jeans fit really nicely, and I love the wash of these jeans. I think it's really nice. So they are more of like a mid-rise jean. They're not like a full high-rise. You can tell like where they start and stop. but I definitely love this outfit together. I just paired it with some boots. All right, and now we have moved on to the jacket and then this pair of jeans. So we'll go first on the jeans. So these are really nicely fitted. They also feel super, super comfortable. Like I feel like I can move like so much in these. And I love the little frill at the bottom. I think it's just such a cute little touch. And now we're on to the jacket. So this is definitely different. I think it's really cute though. I also love like the belt right here. I just feel like it does really like help the waist kind of cinch in. And the like detail on this jacket is just so cute. Let me show you guys like an up close. So you can see just like how detailed it really is. It's super cute. And let me show you guys like from the back. It just kind of droops down in the back. I just think it's really cute. I wouldn't say it's like the most comfortable thing, like wearing it kind of off the shoulder like this. I feel like I probably could have got like the next size up. I got it in an extra small, but honestly, like it feels pretty tight. So I think I could have done like a small, but I still think I can make it work. I just wish I would have maybe gotten a small because it doesn't feel very comfortable, but definitely looks really cute. All right, and here's our next outfit. I went ahead and just paired this one with the top that I already had on. I'll try and find this if I can and link it down below for you. But these are just the jeans that I did purchase, and I got these in a size 3-4, and they are definitely a lot more higher waisted. I tucked the tag in, and then the last pair, but I definitely really like the way that these fit. I feel like they fit really, really nicely. I also like the leg length on these. I think it's perfect for like inside booties. Like they're not too long. You can tell that they're popping out just a little bit. So they're kind of more of like an anklet pants. And I really like the rip here in the knee. I just think these are really, really cute, especially paired with like a shirt like this or like a crop top. I feel like would be really, really cute. All right, and now we are on to the final outfit. And I will say that this is probably my least favorite outfit that I've tried on. These pants, I don't know. I don't think they're flattering at all. Like I feel like I look huge in these. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know if I'm wearing them right. Like I've never worn a pair of pants like this, so maybe I'm just like wearing them at the wrong spots, but I'm pretty sure they're meant to be like super, super high-waisted. I think the ankle of them is cute, and like I said, it has like that little detail down there that I think is really cute, but just like up here, they're just like so baggy. I know they're supposed to be like that, but I don't know if they're just like the most flattering pair of pants. Like, I don't know. Tell me guys what you think. Like, do you think these are cute, or do you think they just don't really fit my body right? Like, do they look weird? Let me know what you guys think down below, because I feel like they just, I don't know, these don't really look cute to me. This shirt is from Windsor, by the way. I'll try and link this shirt down as well. And then we do have on the earrings, so I just popped these earrings on really quickly, and I like the earrings. I think they're fun. But I think these pants for me are a definite no, but this is the last outfit. So everything else seemed to work out. Just wasn't the biggest fan of these. I think they just look weird. All right, you guys, that is going to do it for this Fashion Nova haul and try on. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the items that I got. I will have all of them linked down below, like I mentioned. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed these try-on hauls. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.